Tired of writing page after page of abstraction for displaying large datasets in your app? How about just one? Turn over a new leaf with Paging 3. In this series of videos, you'll learn how to use the paging library in your app. We'll start by seeing how to page from one source, the network, how to display the data, and its loading states. We'll then go a step further and see how we can page from multiple sources, the network and database, and also learn how to handle common operations like retrying. We'll continue by getting fancy, seeing how to work with transformations, separators, adding custom headers and footers, and how to implement a use case like search. Finally, we'll end with a live Q&A session to answer all the questions you might have. That's a whole bookshelf's worth. To keep your library up to date, make sure to subscribe to the Android Developers YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the flip side.